Hello everyone, myself Anurag Yadav. I study in GI International School. Today I am stand here to represent my project on air pollution. There are many pollution in our environment: noise pollution, sound pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and air pollution. The air pollution is a major pollution in our atmosphere. Today I want to talk about the air pollution. The air pollution means the polluting air with dust and other harmful particles. It decreases the quality of air. The air pollution causes many breathing problems. It makes our environment dirty. The air pollution very harmful cause on animals, plants, birds, etc. And it is caused by the deforestation. The burning of fuels like diesel, petrol and kerosene is also harmful effect on atmosphere and also harmful effect on our breathing. The air pollution is a very major thing in increasing world. The air pollution is created by the many human activities. The important to know from the present generation that if we do not take the action, so there is no more time to destroying the atmosphere. Thanks for patience hearing. And
myself Sejal Yadav. I am studying in class 8. Today I am standing in front of you to say about a solar system. I made a solar system, so I would like to say about it. Our solar system consists the sun, the planets, and other terrestrial bodies. There are many satellites and natural satellites like the moons, and some are human-made satellites. Our solar system are full of discoveries, and the universe have more than 500 solar system, and our solar system are present in inside Milky Way galaxy. It will be take 1.3 billions of planet of the size to fill the volume and mass of our solar system. The solar system are divided into two parts: interior parts and outer parts. The interior parts are Mercury, Sun, Venus, Earth, and the other planets are in outer planets. The asteroids are built between the Mars and Jupiter orbits. The Venus is similar to the Earth, and it is same size, same volume, and same density. The Saturn has three rings that it make a very unique to other planets. The Uranus are round to sun, lighting at 90 degrees. Let me say about a fact about Neptune. The Neptune has dedicated a mathematical calculation. I would in my speech and thanks my science teacher to give me this type of project, and thanks my principal sir to speak about it. Thank you.
Myself Shubham Yadav. I study in class 8 standard. Today I want to give the speech on air pollution. Air pollution is the one of the main environmental issues. Many environmental issues nowadays. There are the many reasons to behind regularly increase this air pollution. Most of the air pollution is caused by the transport, industrializations, growing city, etc. We need to make sure clean air to reduce the level of the air, pollution. We need to make a big change in our activity to reduce the effect of the air pollution. We should not cut the tree. We should more plant it. That's all. Thank you.
Honorable teachers and all my dear friends present here. My name is Ayushi Singh from class 8. Today I am standing here to share a short speech with you on the topic of air pollution. Air pollution is increasing day by day. It is causing harm to all of us. Air pollution causes various types of disease like asthma and problems in breathing. That is causing us to get disease every day. This is causing the whole people of India and the whole world to be diseased. All the peoples and also the children are also the cause of the air pollution. They are taking inside the bad air and are being harmed by the air. We all are producing air through various. All are making air polluted through various effects. That's why I have made this project that file showing that factories, the smoke which is released from factories are making harm to our environment, and not even air. We are polluting water, land and each and everything for only our benefits. This is very harmful for us and for our Mother Earth too. If we want to live a safe life, we should don't do air pollution, and at any festival we are burning crackers, in anyone's marriage we are burning crackers. That is very harmful. It produces smoke which gives bad effect to our environment, and this is all because of us. We all human beings, for our comfort, we are harming for our Mother Earth, and we are polluting it. If we will pollute our Mother Earth, one day the day will come when the whole life will not exist in the earth, and these all will be because of us. Nature has given a wonderful life and we should enjoy it into its rule, but we are day by day breaking its rule and harming to it. I just want to request you all that please don't harm our nature and give it its rule, and or plant more and more trees, because trees are important for our life. They are too much precious. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Myself Mansi Yadav, I read in class 8 standard. Here I am present to deliver a speech about air pollution. Air pollution is the one of the serious problem in the world. When the dust, smoke, harmful gases introduced into the atmosphere, when our air directly polluted for human and animal plant. There are number of air pollution like smoke and radiation. First, smoke. Smoke, the product of combustion consists of fine particle or carbon carried by hot gases. Air is called smoke.
Honorable teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to all. My name is Neha Gupta. I am studying class 8 standard. Today I would deliver a short speech, air pollution. Air pollution is one of the